Hey, it's James Nicholson. I hope you're well, and today I want to talk about what is a marketing funnel. Now, I'm here in sunny Thailand at the moment, and I'm actually out here on a work vacation. You see, I'm spending some time just in a different destination working, because that is something that I've set my business up to be able to do. Now, while I'm away, I'll be getting leads and sales into my business, but also because I can work from anywhere pretty much in the world. All I need is an internet connection. It gives me that freedom, so I can explore Thailand during the day, and in the late afternoon I'll start working, because that's when the UK wakes up. So it's a really, really awesome thing that I like to do from time to time. Now, I wanted to talk about marketing funnels and what they are and how they can help your business. So some of you will have heard of the term marketing funnel, and some of you maybe have no idea what I'm even talking about. Now, a marketing funnel is a way, effectively, of taking someone that's never heard of you, they don't know you, they don't like you, or they don't trust you, and turning them into a buyer, a repeat buyer in fact. And how you do that is you need to start them on a journey, and you're taking them on baby steps to becoming a customer. You see, so many business owners, most business owners in fact, just go straight for the sale. They just try and get people to become a customer straight away. And what that does is it alienates people. It makes them not want to buy from you. It's like trying to get married on a first date. It's really creepy, right? It doesn't really work. So with a marketing funnel, what you're doing is you're starting out with something like some content, and that's there to educate an audience, to get them to know, like and trust you, so they see you as the expert in that field. And also it's there to just give them massive value. That's the goal of the content. And once you've given them some value, you're going to then ask them for their email address, and you do that by capturing leads. That's the second one. So it's content and capture leads. And you do that with a guide or report, some sort of giveaway, a webinar opt-in, an event opt-in, a catalogue that they download from you, something that they've got to give you their name and email, maybe their postal address, and in return you're going to give them something of a high value gift, and that's going to build your list. So if you do that, if you just did that, you just did only that, you'd have a nice big email list over time that you could market to and build a rapport with and ask them from time to time to buy products and services. But that's not what we're going to do. What we're going to do is we're going to capture the lead, and then we're going to offer them something for sale. Because you see, if we've got a nice big list of people, we want to turn as many of those into buyers as we can. Because I'm sure you'll understand that if someone's bought something from you, they're a way better lead than someone that's never bought anything from you. So we want to activate as many people as buyers as we can. So we do that by giving them something of significant value for a very cheap price. So it's a no-brainer. So ideally we want to get them to buy something for less than £10. So you could splinter out something from your product or service. A good place to find some ideas for that is to look on Groupon. Obviously they're doing heavily discounted products and services there, so have a look on Groupon. Then we offer the core offer. That's whatever you sell, your normal product. And then the last step is what most people forget, is that we need to continue to sell to them. So you need to have some premium products on the end, and that's where all your profit is. If your business isn't profitable right now, but you've got customers, maybe you need to sell more to your existing customers. That's a quick fix. And what you could do is you could be an affiliate for people. So you could be an affiliate or partner with other companies. Imagine if you're an estate agent and you partner with glass companies, with window companies, with carpet companies, kitchen fitters, and all sorts of stuff like that. Did partnerships with them because you know the people that have bought the houses, they want those leads, and if they get a job, they give you a percentage of that job. So that's it. You start with content in the funnel, then you capture the leads. The next step is to turn them into a customer. Then you offer your core offer, and then you continue to sell. So hope you found that useful. Do comment, give me some thumbs up, and let me know if you need some help on your funnel. Comment below and I'll personally reply to all of you. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye for now.